Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best pedal exercisers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Vaunn Medical Pedal Exerciser. This is the best pedal exerciser that will give you ultimate stability when working out. The product features a heavy-duty frame that enhances its longevity. Ideally, this product has a wide base to adequately support you during use. You can use this product under your office desk or table as it features a lower height to fit in tight spaces. This best pedal exerciser allows you to remain fit as you perform other tasks throughout your day. Therefore, it will come in handy for you as you work, play online games, chat with friends and family, read a magazine, take a meal or watch a TV show. Using this product daily will result in numerous fitness and health benefits, including enhancing blood circulation, toning your muscles, and strengthening your legs, shoulders, and arms. It is equipped with adjustable resistance control to help regulate your workout intensity. Moving on at number 4, we have the Rotai Elliptical machine. Here is the best pedal exerciser for the elderly and people in rehabilitation to recover from limb injuries. It features an abs construction, making it lightweight to move around from one room to another. The best thing about this product is that it operates quietly, making it a great product to use at home or in the office as you will not distract others around you. Ideally, you can use it when performing other tasks like working, gaming, reading, eating, or watching movies. You will appreciate that this product features a remote control that keeps you from bending. This means that it is highly convenient for people with back issues and the elderly. For ultimate function flexibility, this product gives you both automatic and manual operation modes. Pick this product as it not only gives you non-slip pedals but also shiatsu pedals to massage your feet during use, boosting proper blood circulation. You should, however, use it with bare feet or with socks on to feel this effect. At number 3, we have the AGM Folding Pedal Exerciser. This is the ideal pedal exerciser for someone living in a small apartment. It gives you a foldable design that allows you to easily store it in tight spaces when not in use. You will also love that it comes with a compact design to fit under the table or desk for use as you perform other tasks. This product comes in handy for you if you need to boost coordination, muscle strength, and motion. Feel free to place it on the table to exercise your arms or use it on the floor if you want to work out your leg joints. Additionally, this best pedal exerciser has non-slip pedal straps to keep your feet from sliding off the unit. The foot straps are adjustable to accommodate various users with various foot sizes. Besides, it is a user-friendly product that allows you to customize the workout intensity to match your fitness goals. Moreover, it gives you an LCD monitor that displays workout data like distance, time, calories burned, RPM, and time to help you track your progress. At number 2, we have the LifePro Pedal Exerciser to strengthen muscles. Are you wondering how you can get lean muscles and build up stamina even with limited time to visit the gym every day? Well, buy this best pedal exerciser that helps you perform vigorous aerobic workouts in the comfort of your home or office. You will love that it comes with stabilizers that keep it in place as you exercise. This means that it does not move, bump or shake as you pedal. If that is not enough, it also gives you a strap to tether it to your chair to ensure that it does not move around as you work out. To transport it from one room to another, this product has a portable handle, making it highly user-friendly. You can use this product anywhere you go because it does not need charging or electrical outlets to function. The unit is battery-powered using 2 AAA batteries for the monitor to display workout data. Every pedal can support up to 110 pounds. Using this product consistently will accelerate healing and facilitate healthy weight loss. And finally at number 1, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness Pedal Exerciser. This is a high-quality pedal exerciser that features a digital monitor to help you track your progress. Some of the data that you can view on the display includes speed, distance, time, and calories. The product features smooth operation and a quiet one, making it suitable for use in an office or home without worrying about distracting those around you. With the belt drive magnetic tension that comes with this product, you can rest assured that this is a low-maintenance equipment. Additionally, this product features 8 resistance levels that you can pick from to match your mood and fitness goals. With the adjustable tension knob that this unit comes with, you can easily select the ideal workout intensity to help develop your desired muscular endurance. Besides, this is a low-profile equipment that you can place under your working desk or chair and use while performing other tasks. There is a handle on this pedal exerciser to help move the equipment from one place to another. Unlike other equipment, this one comes fully assembled to ensure that it is ready for use right out of the box. You will appreciate that the product comes with floor stabilizers to keep the unit in place as you use it. Therefore, you do not have to worry about it shifting, moving, or bumping when you work out. With its space-saving design, this product will fit in tight spaces for storage when not in use. It is a user-friendly product that features non-slip pedals to keep your feet in place when you work out. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.